I just came out of the home. That's my building. Now I'm heading to my university because there's some networking event going on over there. So today I'm going to introduce you all with my colleagues. Some of them are still studying with me and some of them have already started their internships. Stay tuned with me to know everything about the student life in France. I'm waiting at the bus stop for my bus to come so that I can leave for the university, and it's here. I'm walking towards the building of my school. It's over there. Guys, we have a great architecture over here. See, I just arrived at the university. Say hi to my vlog.
Wait, you're late. We already did all the pictures and everything.
Hi Martin.
How are you?
Say hi to my vlog again. Hi Martin. Welcome to my vlog. So, I know you are a singer and you are a very good singer. How is it for you in Paris?
It's hard balancing like full-time student with musician, but I think like a lot of my classes here teach me about like marketing and stuff that are really important in trying to be a singer.
And how are the studies for you here?
The studies were really good, really global. And yeah, I learned a lot, especially with the people.
Nice to have you in my vlog. Meet my other friend Astha. So Astha, I want to ask you a question. You are a student in Paris and you have work experience. So how is it going for you? Did you find an internship yet? Are you still searching?
I think I've not found it yet. I'm still in the loop, applying it, getting rejected. But I'm pretty sure coming times I'm gonna get it.
You will get it. You're intelligent.
And I think I'm gonna give the same advice. One day it's gonna click.
Thank you so much.
You missed the first half. The first half was so much fun. You would have seen the musicals. Amazing.
Here?
They did a live musical improv.
But I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
You are a student in Paris now. How long has it been for you?
4 months, 5 months.
And how are you liking it so far?
No, I'll give you real advice. So I would say get a proper student living. Try to, even if it is a little bit extra, live in a house where you don't have to share your space with a stupid roommate. You know, life gets so...
Now it's getting too much.
Nah.
Reality check.
Second part, make sure you look for jobs even before you come here, because one of my friend has done that, not in Paris but in Germany, and he's landed a job even before his seniors did. So being more aware and networking more, talk to French people, try to make French friends. It's unfortunate in our classroom there are no French people, but go out. You don't have to drink or party to network with people. You just have to have a conversation.
You just have to have a mindful conversation with them.
Just sell yourself. True. It doesn't matter. No, if you're not in your country, nobody's gonna judge you. Even if they judge you, who cares? Just put yourself out there.
Whatever you can.
Try to get every opportunity. Make food. Don't buy outside. It is expensive. Learn some cooking skills. In Paris is pretty cheesy and zero.
Thank you so much.
I am French.
So what advice would you like to give to the students who are coming to France for their studies? And how can they land to an internship?
Be ready for good food. Be ready also for the administrative stuff. Yeah, France is very difficult on administration. So like take information before, try to get everything ready, and everything's gonna be great.
Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm fine. Where have you been?
I am here in front of you. I have a question to ask you. You are studying in France, you already got an internship. Yes. So what advice would you like to give to the students who wants to come to France for their studies and the students who are finding an internship or job?
Who is asking?
It's for the students who are studying in France.
The thing is, like, for me, I'm working or like going to work in the German Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Well, I basically got the contacts through Germany. So that's what I would like, just maybe give us a tip. Lots of networking.
Networking in France is very important. And what else?
Huh?
Anything else you would like to
No, because I don't have
say?
anything in France.
But still, like for the students, like what can they do to get an internship? Like what steps they can follow or something like that?
I'm not the right person to ask actually, because I just got it, through asking out of own initiative. But then again, I'm not working in France. I'm going to work in Kenya, a different country.
So you got an internship through your networking.
Yes.
Guys, build your network if you want to land a job in France or anywhere in Europe.
Or Africa.
Thank you. It's really nice to have you in my vlog. So I just want to ask you one simple question. You are an alumni of ESSEC and you have been working since a long time now. Would you like to give some advice to the students who are finding an internship or job?
Keep trying. Be open to whatever opportunity that you get. There's plenty of work out there. You live in a big city like Paris, so keep your mind open. Be adaptable as much as possible. You don't know French, it's okay. In your interview, say that you don't know French, but you're open to learning, you're open to exchanging, and always be adaptable to the needs of the job, and I'm sure you guys will succeed. Good luck.
Thank you so much. I just got done with the networking session and now I'm taking the metro for my way back home. I hope I have covered all the questions and useful information which might be good for you. Tada! Bye bye. If you have any more questions, just comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer them.